Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia. This right here is bouillon. It's a Lucian dish. We have a saltfish, dal and rice and some salad. Right here we have some Guyanese cook up rice. We have a salad, some egg and some macaroni. Simple.
African queen. Ooh, Lord.
Our famous Lucian one pot, our backs and our green pig, and some sauce to go with that. Yeah. Okay, so we have some salmon stew and our pear and rice and some salad. So earlier in our video, I showed the dal, our saltfish, and our rice, and our cucumber. So right now I'm just gonna show you like how it looks and everything in a little slow mode. Okay, you could see the dal peas. Well, hot day. Okay, so right now we have some salmon, some cabbage stew, some salad, and our rice. Our famous St.Lucian bouillon. We have our red beans, we have our salted pigtail, we have our little hot dumpling, some carrots, some some big beans, our pear, our rice, and some salad. As always, and our little chicken. Okay, so we have some soup with some bugs and green fig and dumpling. Okay, right now we have some pear, some fried rice, some baked macaroni, some baked lasagna, our baked chicken, our baked ham, we have our salad, cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes. Yes, people. Okay, we have our Guyanese favorite cook-up rice with black beans in it, and our salad as always, and our fried fish. Oh my gosh.